Well, hello ladies and gentlemen. Tonight on the Unimat SL1000 we have a bit of A2 tool steel. This is just about a ½ inch diameter, I believe. It is going to be pitted against my rounded 10-degree tool. We'll be cutting towards the headstock. I took a couple of light passes on it just to get the speed right and all of that. Basically what it looks like here, we might be able to turn this a little bit faster, but 685 RPM seems to be giving this 10-degree tool a very, very nice finish. This is not a square tool, this is a rounded tool. Stand by. Still one more pass here. We'll go 1, 2, 3. This is probably really close to probably about 4/1000ths. Got the cut, and you hear a very slight drop of the motor speed during the cut, but other than that, flawless finish on A2 tool steel. Add that to the list of things that can be machined on a Unimat. Thanks for watching.